Peace. You know who it is. We back again. Chefs in the hood, baby. My kitchen, your hood. I don't care if it's at your house, it's still my kitchen. We run things, you know what I'm saying? Today is very special. I just want to say that. I got my brother coming in the kitchen. He's not a special guest. You know, it's my brother. So, you guys got to enjoy what he's about to chef up for us today. Alright? Peace.
What's good, y'all? I guess by now you can see that I'm the special guest. King Cash, aka Chef Cash. What we're doing today is a red lentil soup. So right now, I got the water boiling. As you can see over here, I got the bay leaf already inside, getting ready, preparing it to put the lentil soup in there. All right, let's do it. The next step, and that's to add the red lentil beans, all right? So how we gonna do this here. We're gonna take this from here, it's drained already. So we're just gonna move this over here. We're gonna put it in a pot that's already boiling, and by the way, use alkaline water. Yes, alkaline. All right, just to let you know, I got the bay leaf, as I said before. Put a little bit of sea salt as well. We're just gonna go ahead and put all this in here. We're gonna let it boil. All right, we're about to chop up the garlic to put into the soup. All right. Yeah, I like to chop it up real fine because the flavor of the garlic comes out better when you chop it in tiny pieces. It tends to come out more flavorful and it just cooks better that way. I chop up about 4 cloves because I like a lot of garlic. That's the Latino in me, I guess. I don't know. But I love some garlic, and the garlic helps bring out the flavor in the food. It enhances whatever seasonings that you add to it. And if you add any oils, which I like to add a lot of olive oil, man, the flavors together is just heavenly, man. It's like heaven in the hood or something, you know? All right, we got the garlic done. Now I'm ready to do the multicolored peppers. This is gonna bring a different flavor to add to the garlic, and I like the colors. It makes it real colorful and interesting, you know what I'm saying? When you're eating healthy, you wanna have something interesting going on as well, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna chop this up. I'm gonna save some of the garlic and some of the peppers as well for the soup, and some of the garlic actually for the avocado spread that I'm gonna make, but I'm not gonna tell y'all what that's for quite yet, all right? Just hold fast, I'll tell you what that's all about. Cilantro. Make sure you get the stems, because the stems have a lot of flavor in it too. You don't want to get rid of the stems, you want to add that to it as well as the leaves, all right? That's really important. Just want to take an alkaline sip real quick. Good stuff. All right, we're gonna do the last thing. Is gonna be these red onions. Man, again, the color variation and the flavor variation working together, man. It's gonna be magnificent. We're gonna put all this stuff in the red bean soup. It's ready now, so we just add the rest of the stuff and let it simmer, and then we're off to the next. Let's get this in the soup. We'll save a little bit for the next thing I'm gonna do. Right here, put all that stuff together. The cilantro in here next. Same thing. Put that in there. Peppers here, multicolored peppers. Right there, boom, boom. And now the garlic. Man, this is gonna be delicious, bro. Let that simmer. Just gonna mix this up. Get all this stuff in there. There, just mix it up and let it simmer. Right? Look at that. How nice that looks. All them nice colors and flavors together. Man, this is gonna be some bomb soup right here, bro. Yeah, I mean, word up. We're gonna add the seasons now. We got chili chipotle powder, sage. We got a little bit of sea salt, cracked pepper, and also some thyme. added to it. All right, so we're gonna put that. This is gonna be the last thing we do, and we're just gonna let this sit here and cook. Look at all of that good seasoning right there. I'm gonna save a little something for what I got going on next. All right. All right, now we're gonna do the cucumbers. It's pickling cucumbers. I really like these here because the skin on it is good too, and it's not thick and waxy like the traditional cucumbers. And it just has a better consistency. It's real tight and just very flavorful. All right, so we're just gonna chop these up here to add to our salad that we're gonna put in the spinach wrap. That's tomato on the vine. What's next? All right, we got the arugula lettuce right here. It's one of my favorite, real flavorful. We're gonna add everything to the salad right now. All right, so we're gonna start with these pickling cucumbers. But don't worry, my hands are clean. Boom. Potatoes. All right, we're gonna add the cilantro, and like I said before, my hands are still clean. All right, here we go. Add the last bit of this. This is onions, peppers, all in one, and some garlic. That's it. All right, next we're about to cut the lime to get the lime juice for the spread I'm about to do. Hass avocado, we about to cut this right now so we can make the avocado spread slash salad dressing. So just go around here, like this here. There's a seed in there. Just open that up and take the seed out. We're gonna scoop this up and put it in here, and we're gonna mix it up. Do all that good stuff. Okay. We are just about done with mashing the avocado. So now we're gonna add the rest. We're gonna add some olive oil right here to your taste. Just add some olive oil. Boom, right? This is the mix that I had from earlier, the seasoning mix. We're gonna put that cilantro that we had left over, put that in there. Boom. This is garlic right here. That's the last we're gonna put in there. Just gonna mix it up, and we'll see how it come out, and that'll be our spread. This is it. Here we go. About to do the wraps right now. Here we got the avocado right here. I like mine a little chunky. I know the traditionals to have it more creamy, so if you want it creamy, all you gotta do is just maybe add a little more oil and just mash it down a little better. But this is how we're gonna do it right now. Take some of this here. This right here blends with the wrap and it tastes really, really good, man. All right, that's good for now. Put the salad right here. Grab some of this here. Some of that in there. If you like a little more tomatoes, just add a little more tomatoes. All right. Use just a little bit of olive oil so that it could stick when I roll it up and make sure everything sticks. And guess what? We're gonna just add a little more. How about that? Just give it a little more flavor. Boom. How about that? All right. So here we go. Get it nice and even. You can close up the bottom if you like. Put a little oil for that. That helps close it up a little bit. Just start rolling it. Go. And it'll start sticking on its own. Hey, and on that, I'm gonna drink me some alkaline lime water, some lime-galine. That's my word, don't take that, all right? Now I want to yeah, I know what you're saying. I'm rolling it like a blunt, right? You know how that is. The hood, baby. So we're just gonna cut this right here. And we're about to see what this tastes like. All this hard work. Hard work. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. I'll take this side. Wow. All the flavors together. Crazy. Nutritious and delicious, y'all. If I say so myself. Eat for Life movement. Chefs in the hood, baby. Check on the soup and put that in the bowl. Complete this here so we can get busy. Nice and smoking still nice and hot. Everything done cooked up well together. You know what I'm saying? I like how it's all coming together. Has a nice consistency. Yeah. I can smell it, man. The aroma is incredible. All right, great. All right, got Got the soup right here. Just put a little more, just because, you know, top it off a little bit. Maybe want to add a little extra to it. Man, I can't wait to taste this. I'm gonna taste this soup. It smells real good. Perfect. I gotta take one more. There it is. Ready. Got your alkaline drink. Got your greenery. I know it look like a blunt and all that, but it's that greenery right here. You know what I'm saying? Got your sips, your greenery. Boom. Quick meal. Yo. Eat for Life movement. Chefs in the Hood. Peace, light, love, health, and wellness.